Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video on Fantom. Wanted to make a new update on Fantom here. We'll talk a little bit about the fundamentals. We'll talk about the technicals. We'll talk about some trade opportunities potentially. And just in general, I wanted to make this video because I think Fantom is one of the cryptos that's holding up the best at this point of time, and also has most potential going into the next couple of months. It obviously has Sonic coming up, which, if you don't know, Fantom is turning into Sonic, which is an EVM layer 1 blockchain, it looks pretty exciting. At least the marketing is being done quite well. So that's going to be interesting. I'm bullish on that, and so far it seems like crypto is bullish on that as well, because Fantom itself, if we look at the market structure here on the 12-hour time frame, it's been consolidating mostly between 63 and 75 cents. We got one fake out down here, or at least so far it's been a fake out. The markets are quite volatile, so who knows. But one fake out right here, got a bullish reclaim right here. So technically short term we're bearish as well. And what I think is very interesting to see is that, all right, well, Bitcoin is very volatile. Some altcoins are absolutely suffering because of that. But Fantom has actually been able to hold up against Bitcoin relatively well. So this is a chart of Fantom against Bitcoin. I wouldn't necessarily call this bullish. If you zoom out, it is bullish, I think. But at this point of time, it's consolidating. And I think if you look at the fundamentals for both the entire market, I think the market is going to be bullish in the next 3 months, let's say. And Fantom, I think fundamentally Fantom is going to be bullish as well. I think that combination is going to cause a breakout for Fantom as well. It's just that at this point of time, we are still in this range, right? So the hard question is that, well, first of all, is the market going to be strong enough to actually hold up most of the altcoins? Because in the end, if Bitcoin is going to make lower lows here, and it's going to drop down below 60,000 or below 62,000 and it's unable to hold the levels here, then Fantom could still drop down lower as well. But for now, it looks good. All right, the momentum for Fantom has also increased quite a bit over the last 24 hours. So that's good to see. The big question is as well, when will we actually break out? Because like I said, at this point of time, if you look at this range right here, if you look at the price action right here, most of the volume has been traded between 70 cents, which is also a psychological resistance level, and this level right here at 63 cents. But practically we are consolidating between 75 and 60 cents. And what you obviously want to see for us to actually get back up to previous highs right here at 85 cents, maybe 95 cents, is some sort of a breakout. And although I do think we are short-term bullish here, so I do think we can get up higher into this range, I don't expect the breakout yet. I think short-term it's more likely that we'll stay in this consolidation here. Because fundamentally, I think it's just a matter of time before Fantom breaks out. And also in terms of the market structure, usually when a coin has some sort of an uptrend and it starts to consolidate, usually it actually continues with another continuation, especially if it's the first consolidation, which this is. So purely fundamentally and technically, I do expect this to break out. But if you look at the circumstances right now, the momentum for Fantom is increasing here and there, but it's relatively low. All right, so there's not a ton of momentum to actually get that breakout. If you look at the volume here, volume is up, but the volume compared to the volume we've seen before, for example, last week, is also not the highest. It's growing, so there's definitely potential of a breakout. And I do think you need to be prepared for it. But for now, like I said, especially also with the volatility we're seeing from Bitcoin, I would say it's most likely we'll get up there, but we won't break out. And then eventually, once we actually do have momentum coming in and once Bitcoin has stabilized, then I think we can break out and get up towards 85 cents as the first target. So be ready for that. I bought Fantom already much lower than this, so I have bought Fantom already. But that's what I think you need to know for now. All right, so if you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.